Automated cutting systems are employed in the widest variety of industries, including automotive, upholstered furniture, technical fabrics, and anywhere creative cutting technology is required. It is used to cut materials such as natural textile fibers, synthetic fibers, PVC, plastics, carbon, Kevlar, and glass fibers, among others. In this video, we will showcase 10 amazing cutting machines that will certainly impress you. If you don't want to miss any of these incredible innovations, keep watching the video. Number 1. WATERJET Cutting Wheel Rim. Here is machinery that uses water jets to cut automobile discs. Waterjet cutting is a mechanical method that removes material through physical contacts and material wear. It should be mentioned that a high-pressure water stream containing an abrasive substance is used to cut a variety of materials. Waterjet cutting has advantages that make it a good option for both general and specialized applications. Among the benefits are the following: no heat-affected zone, no need for tool changes, and high precision. Process that is economical and compatible with many materials. Number 2. Nautilus Ornament. Learn now how to make wooden home decorations that will impress your friends and family. Top-notch birch plywood is used in the fabrication of this ornamental. Even though the design is only 100mm in length, it would take quite some time to cut the wood by hand due to the large number of intricate details. Time spent making an item can be cut in half by using a laser machine. The cutting shape is determined by the application. Thus, you can make things of arbitrary dimensions and configurations. Number 3. Automatic FACETING Machine. The automatic gemstone cutting machine that is currently being displayed on the screen is capable of producing about 180 separate cuts in a minute. The capacity to work in 2 different modes is a standout feature of this machine. The first mode permits strips to be left on the surface of the stone, while the second mode produces holes in the stone. With the use of just one piece of equipment, one may achieve a wide range of different cuts thanks to the machine's adaptable configuration. Number 4. TRULASER Tube 5000. Here we have the world's quickest pipe cutting machine. The 5000 fiber is the official name of the laser tube. The equipment utilizes a solid-state laser to produce tubes and profiles in a range of qualities. The accuracy of the cuts sets it apart, allowing for the manufacturer of superior goods. As a result of their high aesthetic value, they are widely used in the manufacturing of household items such as furniture, agricultural tools, sports gear, machinery, and more. To quickly produce profiles with complex geometries, an intelligent system has been included into the machine. In addition, the machine's design allows for a variety of materials and thicknesses to be cut with a single cutting edge. Number 5. CF9 CNC. Here you will find bracelet and ring making equipment that is commonly used in the jewelry industry. Osmanli Makina, a Turkish company, designed the CF9 CNC model. The machine's ability to rapidly change the cutting tool enables it to function in multiple modes. With this tool, you can cut intricate designs, intricate engravings, and even basic points onto metal. The laser heads are attached to 2 axes with a 180-degree operating angle. This design dramatically expands the engraving possibilities. Number 6. Boss LS2436. Lasers with a power output of 100 watts are utilized in paper cutting machines that are quick and accurate. The LS2436 can be programmed to cut quickly and effectively. This method permits precise, high-velocity cutting without causing burns or soot. In screen display mode, the machine cuts 35mm of paper per second at a capacity of 15%. The device utilizes DXF files accessible via the internet. The Boss LS2436 is capable of slicing soft and tough wood, metal, acrylic, plastic, leather, and fabric. Processing granite, marble, and glass fiber is possible. The machine is seen in the video cutting birch plywood with a thickness of 3mm at 75% power. The speed of material is 25mm per second. Number 7. Platino Fiber 2D Laser. The Platino Fiber Laser Cutter is designed to cut metal feet of small to medium width. This machine cuts metal up to 5 mm thick while saving up to 30% of the time. Cutting sheets thicker than 5 mm decreases processing time by 40%. The equipment is fitted with a variable power fiber laser whose output ranges from 2 to 5,000 watts. The laser moves along the axis at a rate of 100 meters per minute and has outstanding performance. Number 8. Tube 100 or VCL T100. Mainly used in the tube making industry, this small universal laser displayed on the screen is a versatile device. This is one of the first machines of its kind to be designed and manufactured in North America to meet the needs of local consumers. The VCL T100 is the ideal machine for producing small volume round tubes and rods with a maximum diameter of 100 mm. Additionally, the machine can be used to cut sheets measuring 58 by 69 mm. Because of the machine's modest size, it may be utilized in virtually any production location. Number 9. Engraving on brass. Although brass is simple to cut, the right machine is needed to make a patent with many intricate parts. Therefore, the machine you see on the screen was built using a mechanism that was mathematically coded. The 2 mm diameter nozzle's titanium coating allows for rapid engraving without compromising precision or final product quality. Number 10. CNC Machine. CNC machines, which stand for Computer Numerical Control, perform essential functions in the manufacturing sector. Automated by a computer, this high-tech equipment provides results that are difficult to achieve by hand. Milling machines that can be programmed numerically excel at working with challenging materials including metal, wood, glass, and stone. Office bulletin boards, logos, advertising structures, and various elements like lettering and patterns are all created with their help. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the 10 incredible cutting machines. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.